Hello dear students, welcome. Today we are going to do something different from literature, and that this topic is actually very familiar to you, that is notice writing. This carries 3 marks in your paper. A notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards, whether in schools or in public places. Notices issued by the government appear in newspapers. So, here you must have seen different types of notices. What is the format? A notice should be written in the following format. Topmost thing will be the name of the organization issuing the notice with city. Okay. Second will be the title notice. Third will be a heading to introduce the subject of the notice, and fourth the date. You can also put the date on the third number and heading on the fourth number. That is also correct. Then we have the body of the notice, and in last we write writer's signature, then name in block letters, and then designation. These all things must be included in a perfect notice. If you want to get out, if you get 3 on 3, want to get 3 on 3, you should have to include all these things. So it would be appearing like this: name of organization, office issuing the notice, plus city, then notice, then date, then heading, then body of notice, signature, name and designation. That is the format. Points to remember: a well written notice must inform the readers about the 5 W's. Okay, 5 W's that has to be included. First, what is going to happen, means what is the event. Second, where it will take place, means venue. Third, when it will take place, that means date, day and time. Third, who can apply or is eligible for it. Fifth, whom to contact or apply to, that is the issuing authority. So these 5 W's must be answered. These 5 W's must be there included. Then your notice will be complete. Only the most important point should be written. AOD, that is any other detail given in the question. That other details must be a part of your notice. One is free to add any relevant information not included in the question. Okay, you are free. If you are not reaching up to your word limit and you have so good lines about the topic you are writing, so you can add some more lines which are not given in the question. The sentences should be short and grammatically accurate. Short and simple language must be used. They should be in the passive voice as far as possible. Like an annual day is going to be organized by the school. So in this way, you have to write the sentences. The notice should be presented within a box. Box is very compulsory. The word limit for a notice is 40 to 50 words. And please mind, only the words in the body of the notice are counted. So only the words in the body of the notice are counted, not your beginning words, the issuing authority, or the last words like the name, signatures. Those are not counted. Only the body of the notice is counted. Information given in a notice must be clear and should not cause any misunderstanding or confusion. You should not use these words like the detail about this will be given later. You can collect the information from the reception. No, give the whole details. Give the required details. A notice must be catchy and appealing, especially the heading. It should attract the reader's attention at once. So your heading must be catching. Increase the visual appeal of your notice by using bold letters, catchy slogans, striking words and phrases, etc. So you can use slogans, you can use bold letters, you can use cursive wherever are required. But the main purpose is to grab the attention of the people. Standard abbreviations are allowed. Okay, like standard abbreviation which are very popular and are used, like important IMP dot, question QUE dot, kilometers KM dot. So these kind of abbreviations can be used. Word limit, adherence to the word limit is very important. If the candidate exceeds the word limit by 2 or 3 words, only 2 or 3 words, half mark is deducted. And if he or she exceeds the word limit by 4 or more words, then 1 mark is deducted. Value points in a notice: date, time, venue, agenda, purpose, who to attend, contact address, specific instructions. These are all in the body of the notice. These all things must be noted, must be there. On which date it is going to be organized, at what time, at what place, what is the agenda, what is the purpose behind this, who can attend, and for queries whom to contact, and other instructions as well. So in notice we have these kind of topics. One, there can be school programs or colony programs or any programs. Lost and found also can be there. Events like annual day, okay, or science exhibition, or colony teach festival. So many things are there. Tours, camps and exhibitions. For this the notice can also be put by the school notice board or college or other places like that. In it we write name and nature, where are going, occasion, venue, date, what is the objective, like information, invitation, appeal, what is it, entry fee, time duration, contact address and specific instruction. इसमें क्या होगा, टूर्स कैंप्स एंड एग्जीबिशंस में डूज एंड डोंट्स यू कैन इंक्लूड बोथ. So let's have sample notice. First is the Residents Welfare Association Green Park is organizing a holy fiesta in the locality. As the president of the association, draft a notice in not more than 50 words informing the residents about the same. Give other essential details too. So let's know about how you can write a notice for holy fiesta. So first of all we'll write the address of the issuing authority, Residents Welfare Association, comma, if city is given you must note the city here. Notice, then on third number on the left side we have date, then we have the heading holy fiesta. Okay, please note that Residents Welfare Association notice holy fiesta, these three things if you write it in bold letters that will be better. You can go with this, no marks deducted, but still if you will go with bold letters that is more preferred. So the body of the notice is the Residents Welfare Association is organizing a holy bash or holy fiesta in the colony as per the following details. See, you can write the details in paragraph, but still I would ask you to write it in the points, because you also know that whenever you go to revise your notes, if it is written in a paragraph, it's not easy for you to understand it once. You have to read the paragraph first and then understand. And if it is written in points, you can just grab the main points quickly. Similarly, the notice must also be in the points so that the readers, the audience can understand it in a quick way. Date, time, venue, these can be the headings. The residents are requested to come along with their families and friends and add color to the rejoicings. These are some extra lines. You can also write a very important line here. For more details, contact undersigned. Then signature Ravi Kumar name, and designation President RWA. RWA again refers to Residents Welfare Association. Sample number 2 is, on the occasion of National Science and Technology Day, the school has decided to organize a science fair. Vikram, the secretary of the Science Society, wants to call a meeting of the office bearers of the society to discuss the arrangements of the fair. Write a notice in not more than 50 words. These kind of statements are very common in your 11th and 12th standards. See, the first line is your school has decided to organize a science fair. But the second line is that Vikram, who is the secretary of the Science Society, wants to call a meeting to discuss the arrangements of the fair. So it's not about the fair, it's about the arrangement. Here the students get confused and they blindly start writing for science fair. The science fair is going to organize on this date, this venue and this But no, read the statements quite clearly, whether for 2 times or 3 times, to understand it in a better way. So here you are not supposed to write about science fair much. You have to write about a meeting to discuss the arrangements of the science fair. So Delhi Public School, New Delhi, issuing authority, notice, date, heading of the notice, meeting of Science Society. Okay, this is meeting. The heading cannot be science fair. Okay, meeting of Science Society. On the occasion of National Science and Technology Day, the school has decided to organize a fair. All office bearers are requested, see this is passive voice, all office bearers are requested to attend a meeting in the school library on, you can also go in points again, 16th April 2005 at 10 a.m. to discuss the arrangements for the fair. You have got time and date, you have got venue as well. So you can also write for more details, contact undersigned, and then the name, signature, name and designation. Similarly, next is Ram Lakhani is the head boy of Bhavan Vidyalaya, Chandigarh. He and some other students of the school are touched by the plight of the poor and the destitute in the state-run homes and wish to make a difference in their lives by lessening their sufferings. They decide to raise funds for this purpose. Write a notice not exceeding 50 words, making an appeal for generous donations. So now it's not about an event, okay, it's about donation for poor people. So we'll write issuing authority, Bhavan Vidyalaya, Chandigarh, notice, date, and because it is not an event, you can write this, attention please, or you can write an appeal, both are correct, and then you can go for the heading, lend a helping hand. Your help and cooperation are required to make a difference in the lives of the less fortunate living in the state-run homes. Donate generously. Deposit your contribution to the undersigned by 13th May 2007. The money so raised will be spent on medicines and clothes for the inmates. So here, what is the purpose? What is to be done? Where to be submitted? What is the last date? And what is the purpose behind this collection or donation? Everything is here included in this small notice. Next is, you are Parth Sarthi Mishra, the head boy of St. John's High School, Dalhousie. You have been asked to write a notice regarding a sports kit bag found on the school playground. So see, it can be for lost and found as well. Write the notice in not more than 50 words. Invent necessary details. You have to invent the details. Okay, the details, some are not given. You have to invent them. So first, issuing authority, St. John's High School, Dalhousie, notice, date, and the heading. Found, you can write with a hyphen, a sports kit bag. A sports kit bag was found on the playground on 9th April 2007 during the recess period. You'll have to give specific time and place where it was found, what was found, and at what particular time it was found. Anyone who has misplaced, now you will add some features. A grey sports bag with huge pockets can collect it from the undersigned within 2 days, that is by 12th April 2007. So in this way you have given the brief details of the thing which is lost, which is found, and whom to contact, where to contact, all these are noted also. You are the cultural secretary of your school. Write a notice in about 50 words inviting the names of students who would like to participate in the variety program that you are planning in aid of an old age home in your city. Items may be in the form of solo and group singing, mono acting, magic show, dance performance, etc. Trials for the most suitable participants will be held during the zero period every day. So you have a huge notice to write on now. Blooming Flower School, city if given, notice, date, and Sandhya Tara is the name of the event. The school is organizing, please go with the school, do not use our here. The school is organizing a cultural program to collect funds for Sandhya Tara, a home for the elderly. We plan to include a dance drama, mono acting, a magic show, and other items. Students who wish to participate should submit their names to the undersigned before 20th October and this date. trials will be held in the 0 period. Okay, you can also have to give the venue where the trials will be held, and then name, signature and designation. So this was the notice writing. I'll be sending some assignments. You'll have to write the notice and send me the pics. Okay, have a good day.